little bear. Come back.
Again!
Oh, little bear.
Yes, I know a cold when I see one.
Sorry.
Bigger and better. Oh no, keep away! That's better. No more sneezy Oakley.
Oakley sneezing? Why?
It's not safe out there. It's not safe in here. Not if you're a tower of bricks. I'll soon see to that. Acorns, stop being silly. There. Huh. You see? Easy when you know how. Ah. Oh, thanks, Bluebird.
Well, you're a bit cleaner, sort of.
Yes, but isn't he still a teensy-weensy bit?
Smelly!
It's the bathtub for you, young bear.
No!
You could have a squirt of my homemade perfume instead.
Nice.
I made it. I'm wearing it myself.
Yuck! Don't come any closer. He possesses gale force sneezes. Oh!
She's right. You've never heard sneezes like these.
Again!
How bad can one little sneeze be?
I think you're about to find out.
Whoa! Sorry. Again.
That was quite big for one little sneeze.
I think Oakley needs our help. Come on.
I will. Your kite's on the ground. I know that, Raggles. No wind.
Maybe we can help.
How? You can't make the wind blow.
No, but there's someone who can.
Achoo!
Wow! Mine! I know it's not easy, but you must control your sneezes, Oakley.
I'm trying, Bluebird, but they just happen when I'm least expect.
Uh-oh! Look out, everyone!
Hang on, everyone.
Hey! Thanks, Oakley! Nay!
Oh, poor Oakley.
Poor us, you mean? Here you go then, little bear. Hold on tight!
Oh, sorry, Holly.
Holly, are you all right? I think so. We'd better check everyone else is safe. Raggles, and there's Will, and Big Bear, and... Where's Little Bear?
He was here a moment ago. Hold on tight.
Little Bear!
Oakley's sneeze has blown him away.
Will, get the ghost speeder. Raggles, the twooter. Follow that kite.
It was good.
I can't see him. Oh, which way?
We've lost him. There he is.
He's landing. Hang on, little bear.
Oh, we'll never find him.
Shh! Listen. Saffie! You've got him!
Phew! Thank you, Saffie. Hoo-hoo. Let's be getting you down, little bear.
Oh, he knows he can drop by any time.
Saffie, can you help us? Oakley can't stop sneezing.
Well, one person's ice cream can be another spinach.
Achoo!
You mean it might be something that we like, but Oakley doesn't? Come on. I think we found what's making you sneeze, Oakley.
Oh, quick, before he does it again. What is it?
You!
What?
Every time Oakley sneezed, you were flying around near him. I think it's your feathers.
My feathers, my beautiful feathers.
They are beautiful, but Saffie said what's nice to some people can be...
Horrid?
No, not nice to others.
Nonsense! Everyone loves my feathers. They even smell wonderful. Now Holly sprayed them with her perfume.
Perfume?
Yes. Smell for yourself.
Take cover, everyone!
Fly! Fly for your lives!
Okay, Oakley, let it rip!
I'm so sorry, Oakley. I never meant to tickle your nose with my perfume.
It's not your fault, Holly. I've had a sensitive nose ever since I was a sapling. In fact, I can smell something right now. Oh, I think it's time we had that bath, don't you?
No!
You can have bubbles and a duck.
Duck!
It might be an idea if you had a bath too. You don't want your perfume making Oakley sneeze again.
Good idea, Rosie. Come on, Bluebird. You can have a bath at my house. Oh, okay. But I want the tap end.
Easy peasy. Don't know what all the fuss was about. No! Very funny. Achoo! Hi, Big Bear.
Hello, everyone. Your basket looks very heavy, Big Bear. What's in it? These are my ingredients.
Greedy, what's it?
Ingredients. Things to make my stupendous breakfast tomorrow morning.
What's a stupendous breakfast?
I'm making fruit pancakes, noodles, eggs, cereal, croissants, cheese, muffins, sausages, you name it.
Yummy! I think I'd like your stupendous breakfast.
Why don't you come and stay tonight? Then you can try my stupendous breakfast in the morning.
Oh, yummy! Can I go, Rosie, please?
Of course you can, Raggles.
Wait for me.
I'm ready, Big Bear. Let's go. Bye, Rosie.
Bye, Raggles. Have fun. I've never slept here without Raggles before. What will I do? Oakley will know.
Hi, Rosie.
Hello, Rosie.
Do you and Raggles want to turn on my ghost speeder?
No, thanks. I'm off to see Oakley, and Raggles is staying at Big Bear's house tonight to share his special stupendous breakfast. See you later.
I like the sound of a stupendous breakfast. We should make one too. But we'll call ours
Will's ginormous breakfast treat.
Yummy, I can't wait. Do you think Rosie's okay?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll save Rosie some of my ginormous breakfast treat too. Come on, let's go and get what we need.
I'm pleased that Raggles is going to have fun, but I'm really going to miss him.
But I'm sure there are lots of things you can do without him.
I could do some painting and water my flowers or read my favourite book without Raggles interrupting. So what if I'm on my own? It sounds like...
Oh, I'll come and stay.
It's really kind of you, Bluebird.
Oh, there's no need to thank me. We'll have a nice girly night in, and I'm sure your breakfasts are much nicer than Big Bear's.
Come and play, Will. Isn't that for our ginormous breakfast?
Yes, but look, all that shopping made me hungry. A little snack won't make any difference.
Time to get ready for bed.
No, it's not time to brush our teeth yet.
But I always brush my teeth before going to bed.
Yes, but there are other bedtime things me and Rosie do first.
Oh? Like what? Can we go to bed yet, Raggles?
Almost. Now, where will I be sleeping tonight?
Raggles' hammock. It's lovely and comfy.
I can't sleep in that. I need a nice, comfy nest.
Oh, maybe I can make one for you. If you hold that there, and I just wind this around like that. Oops.
Can't you sleep?
No, it feels strange without Rosie.
I look up at the stars when I can't sleep. Do you know what they're called?
They've got names.
Yes. See that group of stars there? It's called the Great Bear.
Wow, just like you. Is there a great rabbit too?
I wonder what Raggles is doing right now. Maybe he's struggling to get to sleep too.
Oh, I still can't sleep.
Try counting the stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I missed one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's a pretty one. Oh, I've lost count. 1, 2, 3.
Bluebird, are you awake? Bluebird? Sorry, Bluebird. I didn't mean to wake you. Raggles does that to me all the time. I miss him. Sometimes he drives me mad with all the noise and mess and the way he's so clumsy. But you know what? I even miss that too.
That's nice, Rosie.
Oh dear, what a night. Did you get any sleep, Raggles?
No, I don't think so. Is it time for our stupendous breakfast yet?
Not quite. I think we need a nice walk in the fresh air to perk us up first. Come on, let's go.
I'm sorry for keeping you awake, Bluebird.
It's okay, Rosie. I think I know just the thing to cheer you up.
Really?
I'll be right back. Are we going to see Rosie? Oh, what about our stupendous breakfast?
There's plenty of time for breakfast.
I'll get to Big Bear's, take Raggles to Rosie, then I'll finally get some sleep.
Is this it? Will's ginormous breakfast treat?
Yes, sorry. When I had my snack, I must have eaten all the ingredients. Sorry, Holly.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm still hungry.
I know. Let's go to Big Bear's. I'm sure he'll have enough for us too.
Yoo-hoo! Big Bear! Raggles? Oh, where are they?
Hey, Big Bear, we came for breakfast. Bluebird? Where's Big Bear?
He's gone. And Raggles has disappeared too.
Let's find Rosie. She'll know what to do.
Rosie! Rosie? She's not here.
Don't worry, Raggles. We'll find her.
Big Bear, where could she be?
Raggles! Big Bear, we found you!
But where's Rosie? Rosie!
Oh, Raggles! I missed you so much. I couldn't sleep.
Me too, Rosie.
I came to get some apples for your welcome home treat. An apple and strawberry crumble.
Yum! Now, can we finally get some sleep?
Oh, I hope so.
They're all asleep.
Yes, no stupendous or ginormous breakfast after all. Unless...
Oh, no. I've overslept.
Overslept for what?
Stupendous ginormous breakfast time!
This is the best stupendous ginormous breakfast ever. The stupendous ginormous breakfast was so yummy, and it tasted even better eating it with you, Rosie.
Oh, thanks, Raggles. I missed you too.
So, I think we should celebrate being back together with a super-duper lunch, a fantastic tea, and a spectacular supper too, all in one day.
Oh, Raggles.